wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the first time I am putting makeup on after I just got that facial done. So I wanted to do a like Vogue inspired type morning skincare routine. So if you guys want to see what I use, let's go. Okay, so here's a close-up of my face, like fresh out of the shower, what it looks like. So today is Sunday. I got the facial Thursday, so it's been like 3 days, and that is what it looks like. So if you did not see the video, I got oil planning, I got extractions done, and I did the LED light, which I will put up on the screen, like the benefits of getting the LED. I mean, my skin was giving glowy beforehand because I went back to this skincare routine, but you know, getting facials definitely helps your skin, and it's just a nice little, you know, like self-care treat you can give yourself every month or how often you want to do it. So I already washed my face because I actually washed my face in the shower. I know you're like technically not supposed to do that, but you know, I don't care. But this is the facial soap that I use. This is the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. Nice little lather on the skin. She's been doing my skin right, so we're gonna stick with her. Now, I skip this step in the morning anyway, but just letting you know, after that facial, especially I guess after derma planning, you're not supposed to exfoliate for like 5-ish days. So we're gonna skip that step, but I also skip it in the morning in general and go right to a toner. So this is, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I kind of went back to like all glow recipe for my skincare routine. It just does something for my skin. For my skin's ever looking glassy, which that is the goal, to have like full blown like glass skin, just like by summer. I have probably gone back to using pretty much all glow recipe products. So this is the Watermelon PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. You can see that, but that's okay because I already got the backup ready to go. So this is the morning toner, but my nighttime toner is also glow recipe. It's the one that I unboxed not so long ago. It is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner at night. So the goal is glass skin by summer, but also I don't really have to deal with hyperpigmentation often, but I did have some breakouts like last month-ish. Actually, they were kind of January, yeah. January-ish, which is probably why I went back to my all glow recipe formula for my skin that I've been trying to get rid of. So right here, we're working on it. She's fading out. But also, you guys know, well, if you saw it, I got the blue light glasses from Tom Ford. Love the glasses. You know, I already have a blue light filter right on my computer, so I got the glasses for, you know, my phone, stuff like that. But y'all see that? So when I got the facial, she was like, oh, that's hyperpigmentation. So we're gonna work on getting rid of that, because that's basically why I got the LASIK. Literally, so I didn't have, well, so I didn't have to wear glasses, and also, you know, so I could see when I wake up in the morning. But also when I used to wear glasses, I would get those marks from the, you know, glasses sitting there, and I don't like that. So after that, I have my essence. So this is from Kiehl's. It is their Rejuvenating Facial Essence. Making my way through that as well, but you know, at least, you know, I use the stuff that y'all be seeing in my videos. This smells like something. What do you smell like? It smells like the concoctions that Haitian moms have you drink when you're sick. I'm not talking, you know, something specific. Like, you tell a Haitian mother that you're sick, they are literally going to put everything in the pantry together to make you feel better. Does it work? Yes, it does. So I'm not complaining, but that's what it smells like. Let my face dry down, let that sink in. Serum is from Sephora. It is their Vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. See, I'm telling you, like, by summer, skin is just going to be glass. You guessed it, Glow Recipes Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Ooh. You know, just hit that 30. Under eye's been under eyeing more lately, so. And it's funny because like whenever I mention like, oh, just turning 30, like anyone who's older will be like, baby, you're just 30. Like wait until you're, yes, that's usually how it works. 40 is older than 30, but you know, I can still process getting older. That's okay. That doesn't make you old just because I said I am getting old. Relax. So for moisturizer, I was using their Plump Hyaluronic Cream, but they sent me their Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So I decided to start using this one in the morning and then using this at night. Literally just wake up to a plump face. So that is what we're going to use for moisturizer right now. I'm not sure if I said that. I don't know if I said it, but this is also going to be my first time putting makeup on since getting the facial. You know, that's like one of the benefits of journal planning, that you can, like the shaving your face is supposed to help the application go on smoother on your face. So excited for that outcome. Sunscreen. So I was using the Black Girl sunscreen, but Kiehl sent me their Better Screen UV serum. I've been using that ever since. You know, doesn't do anything weird, like any weird finish to my face, anything like that. So love that for me. And after that, only thing left are my lips. So I'm going to use the Topicals Slick Salve Mint Lip Balm. Let's just kind of prep my lips. Like I said, I'm putting makeup on right after this. If I could open it. Ooh. Oh, but while I'm here, I also tried the Clarins lip oil that everybody was talking about on TikTok. First of all, it smells good, and it is very hydrating to the lips, so just throwing that up there. So yeah, y'all, that is it for my morning skincare routine. I'm telling you, when I stay consistent with this, with a facial like once a month, maybe every other month, just depending on how often, and drinking the amount of water that I should drink every day, my skin be given, there's a whole new meaning of life. Like I woke up like this, just flawless, just very awake. My face starts looking sunken, know that your girl's going through it, okay? So that is it for my morning skincare routine. Of course, everything that I use will be linked in the description down below. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.